Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. If you're looking for a easy and simple Valentine's Day dessert, this strawberry pudding is perfect for you. So let's see how to make this bright red pudding with fresh strawberries. Now blend some fresh strawberries using a hand blender. Once you nicely puree it, add some cornstarch and some powdered sugar into it with some milk. Now blend that once again really well. Look, even my jug got excited and spinning around. Once it is nicely combined, strain it and add it to a pan. Into that pour in rest of the milk. Mix it continuously and start cooking. As we have added the cornstarch, the mixture will get thickened really fast. So whisk it continuously and cook this on a medium to low flame. And once the mixture turns thick, turn off the flame. If you want your pudding to be a bit more thicker, you can cook it for some more time. Now pour the mixture into a serving glass and keep it aside to set the pudding. Meanwhile, let's make some strawberry syrup to add it as a topping to the pudding. So into a pan, add some fresh cut strawberries with some sugar and cook it. After a few seconds, you can see the sugar gets melted and the strawberry also extracting the juice. And finally add some lemon juice, and once the mixture turns slightly thicker, turn off the flame. Allow it to cool down slightly and then add it on top of the pudding. Beautiful pink strawberry pudding with bright red strawberry syrup. It looks stunning and tastes amazing. Do try out this recipe for your loved ones. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.